This is the exercise number 2. Dear Mom and Dad, here we are in Montenegro Kingdom at the National Coffee Park. This place is amazing. Yesterday we were at the zoo all day. The sun was very strong and it was very hot. The line were long, but the ride of the show were fun. The park was crowded, but all the people were friendly and polite. Our favorite place was the fiber, the fiber garden. The fireworks the night were beautiful. It was great for use, but Daniela was really happy and tired at the end of the day. We miss you a lot. Love, Daniel and Salome. Well, well, thank you.